Government has reaffirmed its position on ensuring the availability of certified seed to farmers. Speaking at the Inception Workshop of the launch of the Africa Seed Access Index, TASAI study assessing seed in Zambia, Seed Control and Certification Institute Director Dr. Nathan Piri emphasized government's goal of uplifting the agricultural sector.
So this meeting is not just a venture, but a manifestation of our shared dream to make a positive impact on the agricultural sector by increasing access to good quality seed and certified seed of improved varieties to our farmers. The quality and availability of certified seeds is critical to enhance agricultural productivity and food security at both.
Meanwhile, Zambia Seed Trade Association President Max Mbunji has assured farmers that the 2025-2026 farming season will see the availability of certified seed.
This year, we have more than enough seed, and we are getting out now with the task force. The Zambia Seed Trade Association has got a task force formed, which has got branches that now go into the market and look for these fake seeds, so that we don't supply fake seed on the Zambia market.
And speaking at the same event, Technologies for Africa Agricultural Transformation TAT, Environmental Africa Regional Coordinator Carlos Malita has advised government to build a more resilient platform to facilitate further studies on the seed sector.
We advise the government not to focus only on the TASAI seed assessment. The government can build more studies to understand the sector. Zambia is a very important country in terms of agriculture. Talking about maize itself, Zambia produces more than 4 million tons of maize. Even the use of certified seeds in Zambia, the indicators tell that Zambia is better off compared to other countries. Those are really opportunities, but there are still also challenges.
The TASAI Inception Workshop marks the beginning of the seed assessment study on selected crops in Zambia. Christabel Kanjele reporting in Lusaka.